Good morning, everyone. My name is Pradeep, and today I'll be giving a demo on NDM support in Weavescope. In this demo, I'll be showing how we can implement this, and this can be viewed on Weavescope. So, what is NDM? NDM is nothing but it is a daemon which runs on each node, detects attached nodes into Kubernetes, and loads them into Kubernetes. So, let me start with how can we implement it. I'll share my screen. Yeah. Currently I have a cluster and you can see it on GK. I'm running this on GKE. Currently, first let me apply the YAML. Okay. This is the YAML for creating the CRD. That is, it creates the disks. So I'm applying the NDM operator which creates the CRDs. It takes some time. You can see it's getting created. Okay, let me change this. Yeah. CRDs. This is a Kubernetes extension that we are implementing in scope. This creates the CRDs and this will be able to give us the disks. So let me delete it once more and reapply it. Yes. So in between that, let me import the cluster from my online. So, yeah. I'm importing a cluster. That is so this we can see all the disks, everything on my online once the cluster is imported. So currently I have my cluster is running on 2 nodes and currently there's one disk on one of the node. So that should be visible from this and that is on my online. We can view that thing. Let me check if I have the disks. There are no disks. So let me check if my cluster is up and running. My cluster is imported and we can check like how many nodes are present currently. Here, this is the Weavescope UI and you can see we have 2 nodes. And now currently let me create few disks such that it will be visible here. Currently, I'm creating disks. I'll show you how we can create disks in GKE. So here, this is our cluster, and let me go create in this node. You can go node and just click on edit, and you can add the disk here. See, currently there are no disks. I'm adding a new disk. I'm creating a new disk. So I'll give a name as disk 3, and with a blank disk, I'm giving a storage of 50 GB currently. Let me create one. Disk is being created. Let me save this configuration. If we are getting the disks now. Okay. See, currently we are able to get the disk which we just now created. So this should be available on my own scope. That is here. We can let me refresh the page. Yeah, disk is available. The disk which we created on OneNote, that is disk 3, you can see. When I click on this, it gives us the parameters. So here, the disk which we created is available on scope. This is the like NDM support to Weavescope. So any questions you can ask me out. Okay, thank you everyone.